anything that needs to go in the fridge, I'm just going to go put it in the fridge, okay? So I'm going to leave these guys out here. It is about 2:30, and so it will give them a few hours out in the sun to kind of get acclimated to it. It's not a terribly bright day. It's not a terribly warm day, so they should be just fine getting a few hours of really, really good sunlight. The problem is, once I expose them to real sunlight, they're going to take off like gangbusters. And I live in a tiny house, so I'm going to be overrun by plants here in a bit. And I forgot. Let's see, these ones are rhubarb. These ones might be borage instead of gobo burdock. At this stage, it's not always easy to remember. But these ones are definitely rhubarb. And I might not have actually planted anything in there. I have a tendency to do that where I'll like skip a bunch because I wasn't really focusing. Okay, so usually I would be putting rabbit manure in layers, building these up. But I don't have rabbit manure, so instead I have taken the Trifecta Plus and I have put it on the bottom. As I water, some of that will break down and get into the root system. And I try to use as much stuff that I have on hand as possible. We'll see how that works.